Pakistan's war defense system in 2025 full strategic breakdown. Paragraph 1. Overview of Pakistan's defense doctrine and geopolitical context, 600+ words. In 2025, Pakistan's war defense system is structured around a combination of deterrence, strategic depth, and conventional readiness, tailored for both eastern India and western Afghanistan-Iran fronts. Given the enduring rivalry with India, the defense doctrine of Pakistan remains minimum credible deterrence, supported by full-spectrum capability. This includes conventional forces, ballistic and cruise missile programs, strategic assets, and asymmetric warfare preparedness. Pakistan views its security through the lens of regional instability, border terrorism, and its complex history with India, especially over Kashmir. As a result, the military emphasizes rapid mobilization, agile strike capabilities, and credible second-strike nuclear options. The influence of China through the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) and recent geopolitical shifts, e.g., the Taliban takeover in Afghanistan, India's growing partnership with the West, have also shaped the modernization and regional orientation of Pakistan's armed forces. In 2025, Pakistan is deeply invested in military self-reliance through partnerships with China and Turkey, while also focusing on emerging domains such as cyber warfare, space security, and unmanned combat systems. Paragraph 2. Pakistan Army, Land Warfare and Modernization, 600+ words. The Pakistan Army, being the largest and most influential wing, continues to undergo significant modernization in 2025. It maintains around 560,000 active troops with approximately 500,000 reservists. Its doctrine is centered around mobility, counterinsurgency, and integrated battle groups. Major corps are deployed along the eastern border facing India, such as 1st Corps in Mongla and 2nd Corps in Multan. In 2025, Pakistan has enhanced its armored and mechanized infantry units with upgraded Al-Khalid I and Al-Khalid II main battle tanks, co-developed with China. The Haider MBT, based on Chinese VT-4 technology, is also entering service. Pakistan's infantry divisions are being equipped with advanced night vision gear, thermal imagers, and digitized command systems. Artillery modernization includes new A100E multiple rocket launchers, self-propelled howitzers, and UAV-directed fire control systems. On the asymmetric front, the Special Services Group (SSG) has expanded its role, focusing on cross-border raids, counter-terrorism, and strategic sabotage operations. Pakistan also maintains strong border control via fencing, electronic monitoring, and quick reaction forces along the Durand Line and Line of Control (LOC). Advanced air defense systems like the LY-80 HQ-16 and short-range point defense systems now protect critical installations and forward formations. Paragraph 3. Pakistan Air Force PAF, Deterrence and Modern Air Combat, 600+ words. In 2025, the Pakistan Air Force remains the crown jewel of Pakistan's rapid response and strategic deterrence capability. The PAF is undergoing a technological leap with indigenous development and foreign collaboration. Its current fleet includes over 350 combat aircraft, with the backbone being the JF-17 Thunder in Block I, II, and III variants. The JF-17 Block III, inducted in large numbers, features AESA radar, Place 15 long-range air-to-air missiles, electronic warfare systems, and helmet-mounted displays. These fighters are designed to counter Indian Su-30 MCAS and Rafales. The PAF also retains F-16's Block 52 Mirage 3P and Chinese J-10CEs as part of its multi-role arsenal. The J-10CE, delivered by China, is a 4.5-gen platform with modern avionics and BVR capabilities. For strategic bombing and cruise missile delivery, the ROD-2 air-launched cruise missile, with a range of 600 kilometers and stealth design, is integrated on Mirage platforms. Pakistan's air defense grid has improved with Li-80 medium-range SAMs, FM-90s, and radar systems acquired from China. The PAF also focuses heavily on UAVs, such as the Barak UCAV, Shapar-2, and Turkish Bayraktar TB2, which offer surveillance, strike, and EU roles. The PAF's Cyber Command and Space Command are still developing but are tasked with monitoring satellite-based intelligence and securing electronic warfare dominance. Paragraph 4. Pakistan Navy, Maritime Security and Strategic Assets, 600+ words. The Pakistan Navy in 2025 plays a dual role, protecting sea lines of communication especially for CPEC and maintaining second strike capability. With the growing threat from the Indian Navy and regional maritime tensions, Pakistan has modernized its surface and underwater fleet. The Navy's surface fleet includes Zulfikar-class frigates, Chinese-built Type 054 AP frigates, and newly inducted MILGEM-class corvettes from Turkey. These are armed with surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and CIWS systems. The submarine arm is a key component, including the Augusta 90B class, upgraded with air-independent propulsion AIP, and the upcoming Hangar-class submarines based on Chinese Type 039. These vessels are expected to be nuclear-capable in the future, giving Pakistan its elusive sea-based deterrent. The Navy has also focused on coastal defense with the Zarb Coastal Defense System, anti-ship missile batteries, and maritime patrol aircraft such as the Sea King and ATR-72. In 2025, the Pakistan Maritime Security Agency (PMSA) also plays a major role in anti-piracy, EEZ monitoring, and maritime intelligence. The Navy's strategic vision aligns with the doctrine of forward presence, layered defense, and credible deterrence. Paragraph 5. Strategic forces, nuclear triad and missile capabilities, 600+ words. Pakistan's Strategic Command oversees a credible nuclear arsenal estimated at 160 to 170 warheads in 2025. The doctrine of full-spectrum deterrence has been maintained to counter any conventional or nuclear aggression from India. Pakistan's delivery systems include land-based, air-launched, and soon-to-be sea-based platforms, forming a near-complete nuclear triad. The land-based arsenal includes Shaheen-3 range 2,750 km Ghaznavi, Nasser Haddix tactical nuclear missile, and a Babil Merv-capable missile still under development. Tactical nuclear weapons TNWs are designed to deter India's cold start doctrine by threatening battlefield nuclear use. The air-launched Rad-2 cruise missile gives Pakistan a stealthy option against hardened targets, while submarine-launched missiles are in development for credible second strike ability. Pakistan's Strategic Plans Division (SPD) handles nuclear command and control, ensuring civilian oversight and secure communications. Advanced warhead miniaturization and delivery platforms have been reported, including canister-based launches and hardened silos. The SPD also oversees strategic cyber operations, counter-space efforts, and ballistic missile defense simulation. Pakistan's nuclear command structure maintains a strict centralized authority to prevent unauthorized use, with multiple layers of verification and fail-safes. Paragraph 6. Military alliances, technology transfer, and future outlook, 600+ words. By 2025, Pakistan's defense structure is increasingly reliant on strategic partnerships for technology and military innovation. The China-Pakistan military alliance is at the heart of this evolution, providing Pakistan with advanced aircraft, SAMs, submarines, and missile technology. China also helps with satellite surveillance, cyber warfare tools, and artificial intelligence for battle management systems. Turkey has emerged as another critical partner, supplying T-129 ATAK helicopters, corvettes, UAVs, and possibly helping in joint tank development. Pakistan is also exploring cooperation with Russia for helicopters, air defense systems, and training. Domestic industry, led by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and Heavy Industries Taxila (HIT), is becoming more capable, producing tanks, UAVs, and munitions with growing independence. In cyber warfare, Pakistan has invested in electronic warfare suites, cyber intelligence, and hybrid threat response units. The future holds expansion into hypersonic missile research, satellite-based reconnaissance, and a possible fifth-generation stealth fighter program, either indigenously or via Chinese-help Project AZM. In 2025, Pakistan's war defense system stands as a complex, multi-layered architecture, balancing conventional might, strategic deterrence, regional influence, and asymmetric flexibility, making it one of the most militarily capable nations in the Islamic world.